Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec 3-inch LED sleek cube light. Before I get into today's review, if you guys like these videos, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest reviews. The 3-inch sleek LED cube light features a 160-degree wide flood output. Combine that with its very compact size, makes it perfect for everything from being mounted right up front here on your bumper to fitting in those really tight and compact spaces where you still want a lot of light output. In fact, each one of these lights features 2,000 lumens of light output for a combined total of 4,000 lumens between the pair. Now, as I mentioned, it is a very compact size, and if we take a measurement on the light, you can see that it measures 2 3/4 inches square, both across and vertically on the light face. And if we take a measurement from the mounting surface to the top of the light, well, it measures 3 3/4 inches with a total depth of the light at 1.5 inches. The housing of the 3-inch sleek cube light is made from die-cast aluminum and features cooling fins on the back side to keep those LEDs running at the appropriate temperature for a nice long lifespan. The housing is finished in a satin black powder coat finish, features a Quadratec logo right up top, and a tough polycarbonate lens out front with a fluted design gives us that really wide 160 degrees of output. Down below the light, we've got a stainless steel mounting bracket along with all stainless steel hardware to help resist corrosion. And the wiring harness on the back of the light features an industry standard weather-tight Deustch-style connector. All that combines to give us an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning you know this light is going to stand up to the elements. And of course, it's backed by Quadratec's 3-year limited warranty. Now, one of the features I really like about this light is the mounting foot, and it does feature a full 180 degrees of motion, giving you a lot of flexibility in directing the light exactly where you want it. So if we've got it mounted up here on a bumper out in front of our Jeep, we can shoot that light straight forward. If maybe we're mounting this up on a roof rack or maybe a bed-mounted rack on the back of a Gladiator that's got a vertical mounting surface, you can see we still got a lot of flexibility in maybe directing that light down on the ground. Could be especially helpful if we're out camping or maybe doing some work to the Jeep in a really dark spot. The lights are sold in pairs, and with that you'll get 2 lights, 2 mounting feet, along with all the hardware to get them mounted. You'll also get a pair of wiring pigtails with a pre-wired Deustch-style connector, allowing you to plug in the lights and then wire them up. Now, also, we do have the Quadratec 3-inch sleek LED cube lights paired with our Quadratec complete wiring harness that comes with everything you need to get the lights wired in your Jeep, power run to the battery, and even a switch for mounting on your dash. If you guys want to get more information or purchase a set of the Quadratec 3-inch LED sleek cube lights for your Jeep, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the lights, you can always leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.